Hi guys, we have a quick post today, or a quick video to go with the Halloween treat holder project that I did for the design team for Pokedoodles this week. So it's a fun kind of like a, Christmas cracker type effect, only for Halloween candy. Our theme was something for a Halloween party. So to me, that seemed something like you would have at a Halloween party, was you would be handing out little candy favors. So this is what I'm going to show you how to make really quickly. So this piece of black paper, it's not a real, this isn't a really thick, it's good enough, but it's not really thick, because you have to do folding, so you don't want it to be too... So we're going to start with 8.5. Take that off. And this side should be 8. Okay, so just check again. We have an 8. Yep. This is our 8.5 side. Yep. I'm just going to make this easy on myself and go ahead and score a 1/2 inch. So we had an 8.5 by 8 sheet of cardstock. On the 8.5 side, we scored a 1/2 inch crease. Now, I'm going to bring this end of the paper up here. I hope I am in the camera view. Just bring that up there. Fold that. Can crease it a bit with a bone folder if we want to. Okay. Now, we have that. We're going to bring that up again, right to the other crease, the fold line, not to the top of this tab, but to the fold line. See? So, yeah. And we'll just crease all of those again. Okay, now, I did measurements, precise ones to score at, but I found it was easier this way. So then, you just take one end, fold it over a little. It's a bit haphazard. And now, there are obviously places out there for your Cricut machine. You can just buy a cut file to make this. But if you don't want to do that and you just want to make it yourself, you can see it's pretty easy. So you have two ends. They're not perfect. They should have been a little better, but anyway. Okay. I want to just take some tape seal. Run that along there. And have this fold this tab over. I almost forgot to do that. Okay, tab is folded over. Let's just do those crease lines one more time. Those little ends that we folded over. Okay. Got it. Now, I'm going to take the scissors, one of these ends, it's folded over. I'm just going to go like this. That's a lot of paper. That's why I said thinner, like, a little bit thin is good. And same thing there. And I need sharper scissors. So, just cut this haphazardly like I did. You can be more precise, like I said, but it really doesn't matter when it's all folded up. When it's all done up with the ribbon and stuff, you're not going to notice how ridiculous your cuts were. Okay. So now if we unfold this, we have the basic design. Now let me see. I just need two. This is what I've got right now, so this is what we're going to use. It's what I saw closest. Obviously, you might want to use a different color to tie these ends. See, they just get tied up like that with a bow. There's, it's quite the bow. It's not a tutorial for bow making. Don't pay attention to anything I'm doing here. These are all crooked and wonky. Just want to give you the basic idea of that. And you fold this in, and of course I have it all wacky. Okay, so that's how your ends would go. You have a piece of ribbon for each end and tie them up. Before that, though, you will want to use some of this great printable paper from Polka Doodles out of a Halloween pack. Links are in the post for these papers. Cut them to size to fit your cracker, which should be about 4 1/4, 4 1/8, and these will be just under 2, so it'll be 1 7/8. Pretty much to fit the section, you'll need 4 of those. I'm not going to cut them right now. Okay, and then we use these adorable little characters. These were just some leftovers I had, but we just colored those up. And I still have a full sheet. Plenty of characters in the, again, the images are linked in the post for these adorable little characters. There are tons of them, and they're so absolutely so cute. Sentiments, there are all kinds of sentiments and things to put on your Halloween packaging so that we can come out with cute little trick-or-treat holders like these to fill with Halloween treats. You simply pull your ribbon, and it's filled with treats. How delicious is that? Who's not going to love that? Thanks for watching.